Yo, what's up, Hokage? Got 10 minutes till market open. Let's see what happens. Nothing. We kind of just been pumping overnight, so. Shit. I don't know, bro. How you been, Hokage? I haven't seen you in a little bit. After a long time, bro. I'm watching your stream after a long time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait, I'll be back. I have to forward test your strategy. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah. I'll see you in a little bit, I guess. Yo, good morning, Trade Breaker. What is going on? I don't know what is going on. Man, you gotta be consistent now. Been missing you lately. Yeah, bro, I've been a little bit busy. My parents come over, so whenever my parents come over, I don't really stream on Monday, Tuesday. Morning, Vincent. Yo.
Morning, bro.
Bro, where you from? Is there morning in your country? Yeah, I'm from California. USA. How'd you sleep, Vincent? How'd you sleep?
I slept pretty good, bro. Took a minute, but got to it.
Let's go. 6 minutes till market open. Let me hear what you gotta. What you thinking market open is gonna do?
I mean, pretty much like what I have drawn up from yesterday, really. Let me see here. Yeah, I mean, on the higher time frame, we had like a turtle soup and like manipulation candle and like a reaction off that order block. So I was looking for that bearish movement. I was just looking for like looking to push further overnight, and that's what happened. And I'm just looking to go for that previous manipulation candle and the re-entry to that day period value gap as like as a TP target. Just looking for longs right now, but I'm not really sure because we have tentative CPI and unemployment. So either way, it could be super aggressive wick manipulation.
Oh, is CPI tomorrow? Is CPI tomorrow? Is it? Wait, today's Tuesday. Today's Wednesday already. Okay.
Yeah, today's Wednesday.
Bro, you told. Bro, yeah, told. Then you're in Vietnamese, huh? I am Vietnamese, but I'm from California. I don't wait. Just because I'm Vietnamese don't mean I'm from Vietnam. Chill. If I told you, I don't know. What's up? What's up?
Nah, the overnight paper though, Andrew.
Oh my god, bro, this guy's a demon. Yo, what's up, Makai?
Bro, what is
Yo.
happening right now?
Hey, you know, like how I usually play that lo-fi playlist on my stream. Guess what I put on today? NCS, bro. No copyright sounds. We gotta run that shit back, bro. Yes, sir. I forgot that shit existed, bro. All right, guys. If you ever listened to NCS, bro, no copyright sounds. We're about to run it back. All right, yeah, I'm looking for a sell-off into maybe 769, and then look for a potential long. We did sweep that like swing high-ish vista that we were kind of talking about yesterday, right? I'm kind of sketched about it, but like I don't think that's enough to sell us down. We swept the 822 level. Life in 2050 music, yes sir. But I still want ultimate target probably today, at minimum 839 or 893, sorry. But you know 880 is also what I'm looking at as well. 880 and then 893. I'll be a little bit careful though, because obviously we did sweep that liquidity, that minor liquidity. But yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Think we could see all-time highs this week? Let me see. Nah, no chance, bro. No chance. Unless we just start pushing, like, past this fair value. If, like, we could somehow inverse this fair value out by the end of today or tomorrow, then there's a small chance, but, like, I don't see us even getting close yet. There's not enough volatility yet. I'm gonna try holding my trades today. You know me, bro. I like scalping, but I'm past my threshold now, so I'm gonna try holding my trades today. Looking for legit trades. Alright, I'm looking at this 5-minute fair value app as well. The one at like basically 760. Hopefully we retrace into that one, bounce off it, and then take off. I would ideally take that. Guys, if you guys are questioning this music, just know it's on a playlist, alright? I've never heard this one. Alright, crazy sell-off so far. Hopefully we open up this inversion right here. I would love this. We can open up this inversion right here. Okay, well, we're just dumping. God damn.
Basically dump off rip.
Did you get in somehow?
I really know. I freaking nothing, bro. Too fast, bro.
Okay, we swept that London low. I mean, that's fine, I guess. Shit. Alright. I'll also be looking at... I'm looking at 694 right now. 694. If we continue to sell off. God damn. Holy shit, we saw on. Okay, there's that 694 level. Alright. Potential reversal. Let's see. I don't even know how I would get in longs now, bro. Bruh, if I'd be taking trade, then I'd be taking bearish trade 1 before 930. Really? Really, no. I was honestly thinking we were fucking bullish, but... I mean, I still think we're bullish, but... Gotta play out this... Well, I mean, we did sweep that liquidity at 822, so I'm kind of waiting, like... to see if that like is the sign that we kind of just sell off. I don't want to be too fixated on longs. Blah 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 blah. Ideally, we open up like a fair value up right here somewhere, like this, and then we bounce off it, get a confirmation candle out, then I would take that retrace. Because like playing off of these inversions is obviously way too big, right? I don't see an entry right here. But if we get a retrace and like continue to sell off, I might have to try to take a stab short, maybe. I don't think so. I honestly don't like shorts though because we just swept all that liquidity. That might work though, but okay, it looks like we just sell off, I guess. Shit. Oh, I forgot to look at ES. Let's see what ES is doing. Oh, it's because ES didn't sweep this London low yet. Alright, I'm probably... Let's see. I might try a short just because ES. I don't know. Let me think. We did sweep this internal, which I don't like right here, but let's see. We flip up. Okay, I'm glad I didn't enter. Holy shit. Okay, ES is starting to push. I mean, SMT, I guess, but like, what the fuck? Okay, well. ES is pushing like crazy now. Big SMT. Like I said, I want to open up a fair value gap over here and then enter. Like that's the only way I see longs over here. Is I need to see a fair value gap right here. ES is super bullish and Q is super bearish right now, so kind of hands off right now. Okay, I mean there is an inversion to the downside on ES, right? So if we close below, and Q's still selling off. Yo, what up, Bizu? Today's a wacky day, bro. Okay, so ES is about to inverse all these fair value gaps. This is like looking super bullish, but then at the same time, NQ is just not doing anything, so I don't know. We have an SMT, right? ES definitely looks more bullish, but NQ is just not moving at all. I'm still not convinced for longs yet, so I'm just kind of sitting on my hands. Like I said, the only way I see a long is if I get in a fair value gap that opens up over here, and then we retrace into it and then take off. Other than that, ES is just, or sorry, ES is just pumping, NQ is just kind of dying, so not really interested. And we're kind of choppy right now. As you guys can see, I am still flat on all my positions. I have not taken a trade, so nothing so far. Yeah, that was a 100-point dump off open, basically. If ES closes below here, then that would be a sign for short for me, probably. So we close below here on ES. Okay, I really want to give a stab short, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but let's see. Till these lows at least 6.2, 6.49, and then probably Asia low. But I'll hold off on it, I think. Yes, about to inverse this right here. Okay, so we swept that low. Now next level is Asia low we're looking at. Asia low is about like 629. God damn. So ES about to inverse it. I don't know if I want to go short. We're already all the way down here. I think I missed my chance, but I might give it a try. Yeah, man. Bit of a reaction off here. So ES closed below just now. Yo, what's up, Bo? Yeah, I'm just gonna not take a trade right now, guys. This shit is fucking ass. I don't know. It's kind of a hard read for me right now. Like ES closed below. I think we go for these London lows, but like I just don't like where NQ is right now, but the only entry I would have taken is maybe if we close below right here. So if we close below right here, I might do something like this. Let me see. I might go like 3 micros. I'm thinking. NPC, it is, bro. I told you guys at the beginning of the stream, I'm playing some NCS playlist right now. No copyright sound playlist, bro. Stop making fun of you, bro. NPC music. This is some chop, bro. You take anything out of this? Can't get an
I
entry,
took one a
bro.
little bit earlier, but just short for like 200.
Nice, nice. As long as I'm happy, bro. Alright. You find me a playlist then, bro. What the fuck? Alright, bro. This guy's fucking making fun of my goofy ass music, bro. It's on a shuffle, bro. I can't do anything, bro. Alright, well, there you go. Alright, there's the sell-off. We finally took those London lows. Okay, SMT gone. Or not quite yet, but I'm looking for longs now. Hopefully. Endo, why did we dump? I couldn't tell you, brother. I couldn't tell you. I mean, we just kind of been pushing for like the past like week. So, I mean, I think a retrace was kind of inbound, right? But we also swept this like internal liquidity right here at 822, right? So we barely swept it, didn't have any more steam to go higher, and then just started selling off. So I think today we could just be bearish. I'm not against shorts, but I just need more structure to the downside. All right, you see this entire price leg up, we've just been pumping 1,000 points, right? Not only that, but we also have this volume imbalance way down here. We could be aiming for that, so hey, who knows? Who knows? See, we swept this the 822 high up here, right? And basically just started building structure to the downside, right? And we're just selling off now, so this is a good fair value app, though. I would say I like this fair value app right here, so this will dictate if I'm long or short today. So if we retrace above and close above, I might take long. Hey, Vo, can you send me? Yeah, I'll send you $2,000 if you want, bro. Hey, bro, I got you, bro. I'll send you all my money, bro. I'll send you all my life savings, my life insurance, my 401k, my Roth IRA. Just give me, I need your social security number, your street address, your phone number, and then I'll send it to you. I'll wire it to you. Okay, this NCS music got me pissed off. I don't know why. Hold up. Like, it's too loud, How do I? Alright, there you go. More my style. Fuck, man, I can't get an entry, bro. You should have diamond handed the fucking open vis and just fucking hold all the way down here, bro. God damn.
Or if I did, bro, that would have been crazy.
Some demon type shit, bro. Alright, well. 5 minute. 5 minute. At least we close below this right here. 1 minute. 15 minute. I might have to just take a starter position, bro. I don't know. Who am I on call with? I don't know. How do I answer that? He's the market maker.
Mom's friend.
He's a doctor. He's a lawyer. He's a trader.
The handyman of the house.
He's a police officer, bro. He's everything. Nah, that's my trading partner right here. All right, Finally a fucking retrace somewhat. Go higher. Come on. Trace into here for me, please. I think today's a 3 micro day. I'm not gonna lie. I think I might just trade 3 micros. We'll see. Okay, you know what? I might take a starter position and then scale in if I have to. Short, I think. Because ES tapped into this fair value app already. Actually, no. I'll wait until this candle closes to see what happens. Ideally, we push up and retrace into it and then sell off, but... yeah, I'll pass for now, actually. Actually, no, I'll just be more patient. You know what? I'll be a little bit more patient. I'm getting a little too giddy right now, so jittery. I just want to see how we react off of this fair value app. We get a strong, nice like retrace into maybe 50%, and then a strong candle closure lower. I would take short probably. But if we inverse it, you know, I could see potential for longs for sure. Easy, I think it's short. I think I might. All right. Well, I'm gonna take a star position there. Have my stop at the high. Try to aim for 478. Stops to break even at this internal right here, and then just try to hold. I'm only in on 3 micros, very light size, so okay, there's stops break even. I don't think I'll go TP1 yet. I'll just try to hold today, so 477 is what I'm looking at. Like I said, 3 micros only. I'm already break even, so I don't have to worry about this trade. If we continue to sell off, that'd be great. If we don't, I'll get stop break even. It's fine. Okay, so I got tagged break even. I gave it a small stab try. We didn't get anything, so just still flat. I don't mind today being a break even day, and I just call it too. Like, I'm totally fine with that, but we'll see. We'll see. Ran about 20 points in a or was it 20 points in profit? Yeah, about. It was about 20 points in profit. I said I was super light size. But I kind of do like this flip though, but I don't think I'll re-enter. If we close back below here, I might re-enter. But like I said, another small retry, I guess. 3 micros again. I don't like this stop. It's so fucking huge. I might go like five micros then. Super small inversion right here could send us back into this fair value gap. Potentially. This super small fair value gap right here. Like I said, if we do end up somehow inversing this, like I would like this for longs, but it doesn't look like we get it today. Ooh. Oof. Alright, the 10-hour open's about to open up, so if we're bearish, I do expect to push up for a little bit and then a sell off eventually. So this next candle that's about to open in 20 seconds, I think we just push up and then slam down later, but I don't know. Because let me check out the 4-hour again. Yeah, this is like a super aggressive 4-hour close, so I expect probably the next coming... I probably expect bearish today. I'm not gonna lie, just with how bearish this candle is, but probably a push up and then a move down later. So if that's the case, I might just stab long, bro. No cap. I might give it a try long actually. I did give it a try long. I don't think this is a good idea, but oh, I mean, shit, fuck. Oh, okay. I like that. All right, you know, I'll just take a quick 200 on the day. I'm more than happy with quick 200 on the day, bro. Shit, I don't fucking care, bro. The only reason I took this was just it was like the 4-hour open, like I said. Like if we're bearish, I don't need, but I expect this bullish candle to open up, or sorry, I expect the new 4-hour or so the 10-hour candle, or the 10 o'clock candle to open up bullish and then slam down bearish, right? Because if you think about how basic candlestick forms, right? We have the open, right? We have the open right here, and if we're a bearish candle, we create a top and then eventually sell off, right? Create a bottom and then eventually close out, right? So this is your open. This is your open, high, and then you sell off, do whatever you need to do to form the body, and then form the low, and then you form the close, right? Right, so this is kind of what I was anticipating. So if we're bearish and we sell off, I do expect to push up eventually and then slam down. That wasn't a good trade though, but that's why I'm not holding, right? Ideally, I would like to hold, but just this 4-hour looks so fucking scary. It looks scary, bro. This 4-hour. I do like this like inversion short though, like right here. Like at least we open up something for inversions now to the downside, but like I said, we're in between two areas right now. Not really interested. If we get this short, I might give it one more try, right? If we get a closure below here, I might give it another try and then just see what happens. But like I said, I just don't really like anything right here. Like today's just been, yesterday was pretty bad price action. Today's kind of the same somewhat. You get like super expansive move, which is fine. This is great, right? But like anything in between, you don't really get a retrace, right? You just get a slow grind down. Same thing right here. You get a super nice expansion downwards, but then you don't really get an entry, right? It just kind of sucks. So like I'm playing defense right now. Like I'm just playing very defensive, like trying to keep my capital, right? Like I said, I don't even have to take another trade. I'm up on the day. I might not even take another trade, to be honest. Actually, no, you know what? I might. No, it's not. I will not take another trade. I don't like these conditions at all, to be honest. Usually my reads in the morning are pretty decent, but like today was kind of a hard read for me. And just trying to find an entry was a bit of a hard read, so. You know, 2K up on the day is not bad. I'll take it. So, you know, I'm more than happy with 2K on the day. More so like 200 on 10 accounts, so. If we do inverse this though, I mean, let me check again. This could work, but just know like this inversion could work, but it's more so like a deep retrace, right? On the 15-minute or something, maybe the 1 hour, right? I don't expect this to take us all the way back to the top, but like I said, this inversion for long would make sense only on the shorter time frame, basically, if that makes sense, right? But so if you were to take a long, just understand holding here all the way back for London highs or all-time highs would probably not make sense, but who knows? I would rather play the shorts, but yeah. We're gonna sell off right here. Potential inversion right here. Because now if you look at the 4-hour, right? We pushed up slightly, so now we formed that top wick, right? Now we formed this top wick, so if we flip back bearish, like it could just send us lower. Towards this low right here. Honestly, I might give it a try too as well. So right, let me see. If we get like a candle closure, right? Obviously below, and it's a nice candle, I might take it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Based on how this is printing, I'm not in. I don't like that. So I think no more trades for me today. I really would just like that candle just to slam down and then we take it, but now we're just kind of holding this fair value gap, right? We get a candle closure up here, right? That could just propel us to inverse this. Once it inverses this, I expect to move up. Once I get it to move up, probably take out some sort of internal liquidity, which is right here. And then from there, I see a continuation short for the rest of the day. So I'm not taking a trade because if I were to take a long right here, right, I'd probably have to hold for a little bit, for a while. I'm already done for the day. I'm up 200, like I said. That's it for me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yep. Tomorrow, Thursday. I will see y'all then as well. Like I said, I'm up. Not going to take another trade. Not going to force anything. Be careful if you guys continue to trade. But yeah, that's it for me. Today was a weird day for me to trade. It was a bit harder to read, but, you know, stayed safe. I think I'm currently on a win streak too, so we're just going to try to keep it up. Trade good. Protect capital. Not force anything, right? So, yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.